What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Today's video is going to be an absolute treat. We got a brand new camera for the vlog. I'm getting tint for the vehicle today. We're going to swing out to J Cylde Morris Blvd in Newport News to Tint World. This camera, I didn't actually pick up one of the biggest memory cards that I probably should have. So just in case, I did bring the GoPro, so if you see the photo quality change a little bit, that's why. But without further ado, let's get on the road. Peace. So we made it out to Tint World. I'm getting ready to go inside and meet up with Ron, show you guys what they have to offer, show you their store. It's an absolutely insane storefront. I think they opened up last year. But let's go check up with him and say what's up. What's up, man?
What's up, man? What's going on?
What's up? What's up? So guys, this is Ron, this is his shop. It is absolutely insane. I obviously won't be able to do it justice to give you the ins and outs of the place, but if you don't mind me shoving the camera in your face today, man. I guess tell us a little bit about yourself, how long you've been here, and what to expect when you come to any Tint World, and pretty much go from there. Yeah,
so we've been here since November 2021. Opened up, man, and felt like the community need these type of services at this type of quality. We are looking to give that high-end quality and high-end service that, you know, most car guys and car girls look for and need.
Absolutely. So I guess, Ron, what are some of the things you guys offer here?
Man, let's start over here with our audio. All right. So here at the audio board, you can see we have a variety of different head units, amps, subs, component speakers, quite a few things. But anything that we have here, we also can get more. We have access to so many different other ones, you know.
So this is kind of what you're just like displaying, but if somebody wants something specific,
yeah,
you guys can do it.
This is a display, but we can get our hands on, you know, a lot of audio things, a lot of different brands. Too many to name off the top of my head, but
absolutely.
We can get it, man.
Yeah, it's definitely come by, check out some of their audio selection. It's a lot bigger than you would expect, especially coming from any like tent shop. And I'm not saying that to like belittle him, but this place blew me away when I first walked in. If you guys can take anything from what I'm saying, you guys are a franchise, right?
There's stores.
There's 130 stores. This one is his. So if you guys are trying to support me, definitely stop by this location. And the address is 658 J Cylde Morris Blvd. Stop in, come see Ron. I believe he's like me. He's almost here every single day. If you can't reach him in store, definitely give him a call and set up an appointment. But I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the lobby, all right? So I hope you guys loved some of that footage of his lobby. Those chairs are absolutely sick. I love the chairs, but a little bit more about what he offers before I hand over the keys, because I am making this appointment a little bit later. What else you got, Ron? So I see this hot table, man. Tell me about it.
So this is the summer sales going on for you DS18 fans, Jeep Wrangler drivers. Here's the stuff for you, man. That DS18, they like it loud, full customized. We got some things in the back that we're doing for a Jeep Wrangler. So yeah, we got some prices on sale, and if you come and mention this video, I might give you an extra 5% off.
Hey, y'all heard it. Mention this video, and keep in mind, if you type in Tint World, there are Tint Worlds all over the place. This is just available for what he's offering at the J Cylde Morris location. That's 658 J Cylde Morris, okay? So if Ron's not here, or Ron doesn't exist at where you're at, please make sure you mention this video at this location, okay? Don't go somewhere else. Now, as I'm going through the lobby, guys, I may miss some things, glaze over some other things, but if you have any questions about anything you saw today, definitely call up here and get your own quote and hear them for yourself. But I did see that you guys also offer ceramic coating.
Yes, sir. Ceramic coating is a new technology that's out. You might have heard about it a lot. So on our menu board over here, if you want to take a step over here, we got a couple different packages that we offer. Some of these packages are kind of locked in, but we also do packages that are a la carte that fit your personal needs. So ceramic coating is one of the things we offer. It's a clear coat that goes in your car as a liquid, dries as a solid. Protect your paint protect the integrity of your vehicle, interior as well, wheels and all your rims. So it's pretty good stuff.
I actually didn't know you could ceramic coat the inside of a car. That's actually kind of sick. But last but not least, the reason that we're here today is to get the BMW Z3 M COUPE tinted. Finally, no offense to the previous owner, but I wasn't a fan of like the mirrored tint. Just to go over some of the things that they offer here. I know this seems like a long video, but this video is not just for me, this is for Ron.
All right, cool. So here's our tint packages. Here's the main thing, the main reason why we're here. We offer several different packages. And again, these packages are pretty amazing. We have ceramic tint as well, which is our #1 seller. And the reason being, it has 85% heat rejection, 99% UV rejection, which that's what caused your seats and things to crack and interior to fade. We don't want that. We definitely don't want that in the M COUPE. So we're gonna light it up today.
Absolutely. And guys, this is kind of just like a little bit of a demo. I was kind of dumb to this stuff. He's gonna hit the button for us, just so you guys can kind of understand like what goes into like a 0%, a 50%, 35, 20. I think 20 is what I'm gonna be going with today. I wouldn't say he talked me out of the 5, but you know, with 5%, it's incredibly dark, guys. And keep in mind, with most cars that as they get newer, they kind of have like a little bit of a tint already on them, like innately, like passively. So when you go in like, yo, I want 5%, well, that's 5% on top of what you currently have. So if you're trying to roll around absolutely not being able to see at night, I wouldn't do that. But again, it's not my car, not your car. This is Ron's shop. He will definitely educate you in all the ways that he thinks is best. But again, it's your car at the end of the day, so just make that appointment, come see him, check it out for yourself. I'm gonna hand him the keys over, and I'm gonna go shoot a little bit of footage of the shop. Ron, I appreciate you, man.
I got you, man.
And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Peace. It's my turn up. These guys are gonna get to work on the tent. Now, it's increasingly difficult to shove a camera in somebody's face and expect them to do a fantastic job. So I'm not gonna bother them too much with the camera work, but I will get a great montage a little bit before and after. So stay tuned.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
Absolutely. That is beautiful. These guys have done an amazing job. I'm actually blown away at like how quickly it was done. The entire time that he was removing some of the glue, as you guys saw, yeah, just take it to a pro. Don't sit in your driveway trying to do it yourself. Bring it up here, Tint World on J Cylde. Come see the guys for yourself. They're amazing. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the shop as much as I did. Don't forget 658 J Cylde Morris Blvd, Tint World. I can't thank Ron and the guys enough for allowing me to be in their space, put a camera in their face. So to make it up to them, I need you guys to help me out. I'm gonna put their socials, their Instagram in the bottom of the video. Please go down, give them a like, give them a follow. Don't forget, mention this video anytime you come by. speak to Ron at 658 J Cylde Morris Blvd. I'm gonna put their information down here or at the top of the video. But as always, guys, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and please leave a comment. It helps us get better, do better, and let you guys know what you want to see more of. So until next time, peace.